General elections were held in Angola on 24 August 2022 to elect the president and National Assembly. Incumbent President João Lourenço is eligible for one more term. Preliminary results indicated the MPLA securing re-election with a reduced majority, winning 124 seats and obtaining 51% of the vote. The main opposition party, UNITA, secured 90 seats with 44% of the vote. The Social Renewal Party, the National Liberation Front of Angola, and the Humanist Party of Angola all won 2 seats each. The previous election held in 2017 saw the ruling MPLA win a landslide re-election, obtaining 61% of the vote. Although the party lost 25 seats, the MPLA retained its supermajority in the National Assembly, securing 150 seats. The largest opposition party, UNITA, won only 51 seats but did gain 19 with a 26% vote total. CASA, won 16 seats, the PRS won 2, and the FNLA secured 1. Following the election, UNITA accused the ruling party of engaging in electoral fraud and filed a lawsuit. However, the Constitutional Court dismissed UNITA's case at appeal. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.